Let me ask you, what's your plan if you have diabetes and the pharmacy ain't answering no more? No refills, no insulin, no metformin, no nothing. Whether it's a blackout, supply chain collapse, extreme weather, or a random Tuesday that just goes wrong. How are you going to keep your blood sugar from sending you into shock? Because survival ain't just about bear traps and bug out bags. It's about keeping your body from turning on you when everything else already has. Let's talk about what diabetes looks like when the world stops and how we build a plan that keeps you alive, steady, and sugar smart. Step 1. Meds don't last forever. Let's break it down. Unopened insulin lasts about 1 year and lasts about 28 days once opened per the CDC. Metformin tablets, around 1 to 2 years shelf life, but potency drops after expiration. Glucose test strips, accurate for up to 6 months after expiration, not ideal. Insulin needs refrigeration, 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You better get creative if the power's out. Step 2, plan ahead right now. Talk to your doctor about extending your prescription so you can legally stockpile a 90-day or 6-month supply. Rotate your stock like food. FIFO, first in, first out. Storage tips. Keep meds in a waterproof, temperature-safe cooler container in your bug-out bag. Backup glucose options. Glucose tabs, fruit leather strips, sugar cubes, honey packets. You don't want to go into hypoglycemia just because you forgot your emergency snacks. That's not cute. That's deadly. Step 3. Alternatives that have research behind them. Now, this ain't medical advice, but let's look at what science is saying about blood sugar management when meds ain't available. Peer-reviewed and studied options to explore. Berberine, found in golden seal, barberry, Oregon grape. Comparable to metformin in blood sugar control. May help with insulin sensitivity and gut health too. Cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon, not the grocery store kind, can help lower fasting glucose. Works best in higher doses over time. Bitter melon, used traditionally for diabetes in Asia, Africa, Caribbean. Shows potential to reduce blood sugar. Gymnema sylvestre, known as sugar destroyer in Ayurveda, may reduce sweet cravings and improve insulin levels. Alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that helps reduce insulin resistance and diabetic nerve damage. Note, these are not replacements, they're emergency supports. Talk to your doc before using. Step 4. Food equals medicine. Your diet matters more than ever when the meds run out. Focus on high fiber, slows down sugar spikes. Foods include beans, oats, and seeds. Low glycemic foods such as berries, greens, nuts, and whole grains. Healthy fats plus protein to stabilize blood sugar. Hydration, because dehydration raises blood sugar. And sis, ration your carbs. Emergency survival is not the time for comfort snacks. Every gram counts. Step 5. Make a blood sugar game plan. Create your own BGL, blood glucose levels, action plan. What happens if I go high? What happens if I go low? What signs does my body give me? What's my go-to correction method? Who knows my condition and how to help me? Write it down. Carry it in your wallet. Put it in your kid's backpack. Because in a real emergency, you might not be conscious to explain yourself. Step 6. Your mental strength is your medicine too. Diabetes is already exhausting. Now imagine managing it during chaos, displacement, stress, and food scarcity. That's why mindset matters, along with exercise, meditation, and maintaining stress. So sis, now that you know all this, what's your plan? This ain't just about doomsday. This is about real life, natural disasters, job loss, pharmacy backorders, power outages, or just being stuck on an elevator with low blood sugar and no snack. You gotta prep like your life depends on it. Because it does. Let's stop pretending like survival is just for the camo bros and wilderness weirdos. Survival is for women with hormones, meds, kids, and hella determination. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment what your blood sugar management strategy will be in an emergency. And until next time, stay ready, stay smart, and stay prepared. Love you, sis.